Hello everybody, my name is Lily and this is my channel and welcome back to Formula 1 24. We are in our home and this is how I started up. I don't know if this is the same meeting and I didn't save it or if this is another secret meeting, but we will check it out for sure. So let's see, I believe this is probably the same one, it just didn't save it for whatever reason, but I decided to record it just in case. So let's see, it's probably the same. Yeah, okay. Next race is Miami. I do not believe I have enough points to do anything. I am a little sick, so my voice might sound a little bit off. Sorry about that, but I've also been sick for the last few days, so. Okay, we got some valuable points. Resource points. We should upgrade the chassis, but I believe we have upgrades for that already. Oh wow, this is very expensive. Yeah. That's unfortunate. Aerodynamics, there is one thing that is also too expensive for me. I don't think there should be. Well, there's this, but this is also too expensive. Great. Let's go. We can't do anything, but that's okay. Means we can save up more points. I wonder if I go to another thing. Probably not. I probably won't keep my resource points. That just makes sense. We are actually on the same performance as Visa Cash App, aren't we? This is interesting because last year Williams was broke as heck. So this is interesting how the game simulates it. I'm not sure if it's because I'm also doing better than Sargent, but it is interesting. It's definitely not realistic because it's not. It's just not. This game isn't realistic at all. But it is still interesting to see how it's forming out. And also I feel like the driver ratings are also kind of messed up because they're not like worse than Red Bull. But North is still finishing ahead of Piastri. I'm really glad. Okay, let's go. And can I restart it? Yes. Just barely, but yes. Let's see, I believe there's sprint race. Yeah, sprint race again. Let's go. Oh, I didn't change my gearbox. Oops. God. I wish teams would use other colors other than blue. Damn. Oh, also, I tested recording Assetto Corsa, and I believe my results were pretty satisfying. But the thing is, I'm not sure what the format of recording would be. I cannot do a complete F1 season, so I cannot just continue this there, which I hoped I could do. But sadly, I don't think that is possible. But I might start an Assetto Corsa series. I'm not sure what it would be yet. Maybe I would just be having fun going around comparing cars perhaps. But do know that I do want to play other games other than Formula 1. I just haven't really found a good candidate yet. I don't just want to play sim racing games either. I want to do other games. Thank you, Rocket League. But also, I just don't really have a candidate yet. But I might do a few Assetto Corsa videos just for fun in the future. A lot of things are doing pretty bad. I'm only going to switch the gearbox though, because we can't just switch components all willy-nilly in the first part of the season. We can still change it before the qualifying. I now know that I can switch components before qualifying. It is now a part of family rules now. So I might actually go back to this one. Yeah, let's do that. I should probably switch this too, to be honest. I might get a reliability issue, but I do not want to get a penalty later on. Race strategy, Tyre Management, qualifying things. Okay, I like those. I hate the track of position. I hate it.
Welcome to Miami, where the sun always shines and we're always ready for practice here in Formula One.
We're going to be logging some extra data during this session. Nothing you need to worry about, but as we have some new parts on the car, we'll just confirm they're performing to spec.
Fun fact! I actually have the radio verbosity for that guy at minimum. Which means he shouldn't be talking near as much as he does. But he's talking so much. I'm actually turning off engine talking. Where is it? Yeah, radio verbosity critical. Reduce everything. Responses only. I could do responses only, but yeah, let's just do critical. But he still says a lot. Okay, let's see what tires do we need for these. Okay, medium and soft. Good. I have a hard and soft. Oh no. I guess I will do 1 or 2 laps. Then I will do the tire management on the hards, and then I have the softs for the car counters.
There'll be a lack of rubber out on track, so take it easy for the first couple of laps.
Oh lord. What is with this camera? Oh, why am I in this camera? Okay, there we go. Worst chicane of the season. Ooh. Oh no. The hell? This is a real launcher. I am going to do the Tyre Management. Yeah. The Tyre Management. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I know, wrong one. Whatever. Wait. Why will this turn slightly left? Why is it... What? Oh. Okay, it's fixed now, but I went after that. Oh, is it? No, it's not. My wheel is wrong. No, something's wrong with my wheel. But nothing's wrong with my wheel per se, but it's not the way it's supposed to. Why is this wrong? What? Oh no, my controller! Oh, there we go.
Okay, test complete.
Actual drivers of 50 laps? That's the whole race. Okay, let's do the qualifying first. No, after that, I didn't check. I didn't leave the check. Race strategy, that's the one.
Standing by.
Wow, no, sector 1 is terrible.
Program complete and a job well done.
Let's do the qualifying phase. I got a pretty good layout to check, I think. I think we can do it. At least green. Okay, that was terrible. Man! You! What kind of aggie do you need from that corner? Amazing! Impossible! That's impossible! Is this another impossible traction situation? That is insane. Hey, this is... What? How did I lose so much time?
Okay, practice program over. That's all we need for now, so return to the garage as soon as you can.
That last corner is insane once again. That last... I don't understand. that last corner. I have to be honest. I don't see how you push curve. Maybe I shouldn't touch the curves. Maybe the racing line is wrong. No, you have to. It's not. I do not understand. I don't know why I didn't get these. Let me redo this. Oh, come on. No, not this thing again. I hate that thing. I'm first. What is that qualify? I got the shine. I am first place. That qualifying pace is broken. What? I had a feeling that qualifying pace is a bit too strong. I mean, I know this is practice, but I assume the AI is pushing anyway. But I need to check how far ahead I am actually.
Okay, test complete, and that was a really good job indeed. We got.
Okay. Actually, there are 58 laps. I'm ahead by 10. My first sector, yeah, that last corner exit is, I don't know, man. That's insane. We're not even the second sector. I don't see how, to be honest. I don't know when sector 2 ends actually. Maybe it's after the chicane. I mean, it could be actually. Yeah, I don't know for sure though. Could be the second sector. In third sector, it's straight purple. Oh, really no. It's not purple like anywhere, what? This is useless. God. Let's see where sector 2 ends. Oh. Okay, chicane is in sector 2. There. So I probably gain at the chicane, which I'm very aggressive at actually. But I do have pretty much maximum points almost. Wait. I did get. Oh wait, no I didn't. Whatever. Wait, no, hang on. Here it says, here, I have it printed out. Estimated qualifying position, 11. Explain, qualifying position of 11th or better. This game, is costing my patience every day. Okay. Alright. I'm going to retire. And then I'm going to do the time trial. I'm going to do the difficulty test. And I'll come back to you.
Sadly, it's time to say goodbye as free practice is over. However, we'll be back shortly for more Formula One action.
Okay, so I did the time trial and I used 2 different difficulty calculators. Now I got very different results. One gave me difficulty above 90, it was like 93 or something, 95. And the other one gave me 87? So I did a race on a quick 5-lap race on like 89 or what it was. And I kind of determined that I should probably put it to like 86, 87. Because I was kind of lacking behind, but I was defending, but it was questionable defending. I'm going to put it to 86. We'll see how that goes. There's going to be rain on the sprint anyway. After the sprint, we're going to be able to change it. So if in the sprint it's going to be messy, even though it is going to be rain, so it's going to be hard to judge. We will see. We will see. What I know for sure though, next up is sprint qualifying. It's going to be dry. We should do well, not too well. We will see. If I'm going to be like P1 in sprint qualifying, I'm going to put it up. But currently I set it to 86. I'll put it to 87. Yeah, if it's going to be too much, I'm going to put it up to like 90 because I don't know, it's messy. I'm not as good in races as I am in time trials. So I also put that into equation. I just can't really trust these sites because I don't have the same race pace I had in time trials. So, without further ado, let's do the sprint qualifying.
Welcome back to Miami and welcome to qualifying. Only raw speed will separate these drivers today, but the question is, who's got what it takes to get pole?
Okay, that's, yeah, wait, park? So there is park for me. No! Oh, I wanted to do a drive out. I have no idea what the minions are like on this track. Okay, not that good. Oh, also it's blue. Oh wow. You're gonna have to do another lap for sure. Even if this turns out well. It's cold, so the track is going to warm up a lot after a few cars go. Okay, that was kind of too much. Yeah, that wasn't good.
Less than 1 lap of fuel left now, the tank's pretty much empty.
That first sector was much better, but I used up too much ERS. I didn't think about doing another round. Another lap, I mean. Alright, I'm gonna go on.
Okay, when you're ready, let's go.
I need to focus on the exit onto the back straight. That's not good. Oh. That's too much time lost. God damn it. I got distracted by whoever that is. Who is it? Who is it? Okay? You suck, okay? I messed up the second sector. That's it. Hell yeah. Oh no, that's not enough. Damn it! Jeez. No, no. Yes! Okay. That was close. That was close. That was too close. Oh no. Oh no, I haven't got knocked out. Oh no. Hold on. That was happening.
All set, we're ready to go, so let's get the car out onto the track. less than 1 lap of fuel left now. The tank's pretty much empty.
Oh, I'm dumb. I said in the beginning, like, oh, there goes Alvin. Alvin's not even cute too. I was watching him. I was trying to find where he was on the chat map, but then I realized. Well, I didn't realize. I was very confused as to where he was. I don't think I got through. Oh, I did! Ace! I'm going to hang back into chicane. What's the engine doing? 71% brake bar, 67 ice. Alright. Oh wow. Oh, almost a second. Okay, well I hung back. Okay, well I hang back a bit too much. But it's okay. Still P10. Hey, that's pretty good.
Want to see P3, huh?
Oh, I didn't retire. No. No, it's okay. When I go back to I don't think I will change the difficulty. Well, I did this though. You can practice complete lap using at least 2 sets of tires. I did. Soft and oh, maybe it didn't count because it was a practice program? Well, that's dumb. I am not going to change the difficulty. I feel like this, combined with the rain that will arrive later, I think this will be pretty good. And whether or not we can change the engine components after spin, I don't know.